Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add discount tags on a Shopify. First, go to the admin Shopify website on your web browser. Select the products option shown on the left side. Click the product to view its details and all the attributes. Scroll down to view its pricing and you can change it as well. Click on the preview button on the top right side. You will be able to view your product on the Shopify store. Scroll down and under the variant option, click on add option like size or color. You can choose from different options as I have chosen color. Now add the color of your product from the provided options. You can also choose more than one color. You can go to your product to see the color of your product. Now take the variant and it will see both colors. Select the bulk edit option shown here. After that, click on columns and choose compare at price option. You can select any price of the product and write it in this column. Click on save to save the changes in the variant. Now go back and search for Shopify on the other tab. Click on start a free trial website. You can bring your ideas to life for $1 per month. You can sign up for free and enjoy $1 for a full month. In the admin Shopify website, go to the homepage. Click on the online store option on the left side. Go to themes and click on customize to customize it. You can click on three dots and choose the edit codes option. On the other tab, open a website named WebSense Pro. You will be able to see different codes. Here you can see the code named price.liquid line number. Copy price, liquid and paste it into the admin Shopify page as shown here. After that, click on the pointed part as shown here. At the number 120, you will be able to see the span option. This number can be different on different websites, so you can also search it by clicking on or pressing Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Copy the span class and paste it into the search box. You have to copy the code and paste it into the number 123. Now copy the card product, liquid from the codes. Paste it in the search bar of the admin Shopify. Press Ctrl+F once again and go to line number 128 to see the results. Now copy the following code and select the written text from span to span. Paste the copied code here and click on save to save it. For the third step, copy the settings schema JSON and paste it into the admin Shopify website. You can paste the theme, the liquid in the search bar also. Copy the following code and paste it into line number 47. Click on save to save the assets. Now click on the preview store option and select our product. Reload the page and you can see the 30% custom sale badge. In the admin Shopify website, go to the themes option and select customize. Click on the product and select the sold out and price area to edit the area. Now you can edit the changes here. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.